Every day, millions of people experience stress and anxiety, often without realizing the profound effects these feelings have on their well-being. While stress might seem like a normal part of modern life, its hidden dangers can take a toll on both the mind and body almost instantly. From racing hearts to restless nights, the immediate impact of anxiety is felt across all ages and backgrounds. Around the world, these issues have become increasingly common, silently shaping the lives of countless individuals. Understanding the true scope and urgency of stress and anxiety is the first step toward addressing their widespread influence. Stress is a natural biological response that occurs when the body perceives a threat or challenge. This triggers the release of hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which prepare us to react quickly. However, prolonged stress can have negative effects, such as increased heart rate, muscle tension, and disrupted sleep patterns. Fortunately, our bodies possess natural reset mechanisms, including deep breathing and relaxation responses that help restore balance and reduce anxiety. Understanding and activating these mechanisms can be key to managing stress effectively. Deep breathing is one of the quickest and most effective ways to reset the nervous system. By focusing on slow, intentional breaths, you can help calm your mind and body almost instantly. Try this simple exercise. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 4 seconds, then exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. This technique signals your body to relax, reducing stress and promoting a sense of immediate calm. Even just a few cycles can make a noticeable difference in how you feel. Engaging in light physical activity, like walking or stretching, can have a significant impact on both your mood and overall well-being. Even brief sessions of movement help release endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals, which can boost your sense of happiness and relaxation. At the same time, these activities work to lower cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress. You don't need a rigorous workout to experience these benefits. Just a few minutes of gentle movement each day can make a noticeable difference. Incorporating short bursts of activity into your routine is an easy and effective way to support both your mental and physical health. Caffeine is a common stimulant found in coffee, tea, and many soft drinks, but it can also heighten feelings of anxiety by stimulating the nervous system. For those sensitive to its effects, even moderate amounts may lead to restlessness or increased heart rate. Reducing caffeine intake can help promote a calmer, more balanced mood. Herbal alternatives like chamomile, peppermint, or rooibos tea offer soothing benefits without the stimulating effects of caffeine. Making this simple switch can support a more relaxed and steady state of mind. Sleep plays a vital role in emotional healing and managing anxiety. Without adequate rest, our minds and bodies struggle to recover from daily stresses, making it harder to maintain emotional balance. Establishing a calming bedtime routine can significantly improve sleep quality. Simple practices such as dimming the lights, avoiding screens before bed, and engaging in gentle relaxation techniques like deep breathing or reading can help signal to your body that it's time to unwind. Prioritizing sleep is not just beneficial, it's essential for overall well-being. Recent research has highlighted a strong link between the foods we eat and our mental well-being. Nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish and walnuts play a vital role in supporting brain health and stabilizing mood. Magnesium, present in leafy greens and seeds, helps regulate stress responses and can ease feelings of anxiety. Probiotic-rich foods, such as yogurt and fermented vegetables, support gut health, which is increasingly recognized as influential in emotional regulation. By incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into our diets, we can naturally promote a calmer, more balanced state of mind. Limiting exposure to negative news and toxic social media can have a significant impact on your mental well-being. Constant streams of distressing information may lead to increased feelings of anxiety and stress. By consciously reducing the time spent on these platforms, you can create a healthier environment for yourself. This approach allows you to focus on positive influences and maintain a more balanced perspective. Protecting your mental health starts with being mindful of the content you consume each day. Cold exposure is gaining attention as an effective way to support nervous system health. By activating the vagus nerve, brief contact with cold water can help regulate stress responses and promote a sense of calm. Simple practices, such as splashing your face with cold water or ending a shower with a burst of cold, can be easily integrated into daily routines. These methods require minimal time and equipment, making them accessible for most people. Over time, regular cold exposure may contribute to improved resilience and overall well-being. Leading experts and numerous scientific studies have highlighted the benefits of practices such as controlled breathing, cold exposure, quality sleep, and regular exercise in managing stress and anxiety. Research shows that deep breathing techniques can help regulate the nervous system, reducing feelings of tension. Cold exposure, like cold showers or ice baths, has been found to trigger the release of endorphins, which can improve mood and resilience to stress. Consistent restful sleep is essential for emotional balance and cognitive function, while physical activity is known to decrease stress hormones and promote a sense of well-being. Together, these strategies form a holistic approach to supporting mental health. Recent research has uncovered a surprising effect of chronic stress on the brain. Prolonged exposure to stress hormones can actually shrink the prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for rational thinking and decision-making. This change can make it harder to focus, solve problems, and regulate emotions. Fortunately, scientists have identified natural ways to help reverse these effects and support brain health. By understanding how stress impacts our minds, we can make informed choices to protect and restore our cognitive abilities. Stress and anxiety are natural signals from our bodies, reminding us to pay attention and care for our well-being. They are not signs of weakness, but important cues that something needs our attention. By recognizing these feelings and responding with compassion, we can begin to make meaningful changes. Choose one technique that resonates with you and commit to practicing it regularly. Over time, this consistent effort can lead to lasting improvements in how you manage stress and anxiety. Discover the ultimate video title, crafted to capture attention and drive clicks from those seeking natural solutions for stress and anxiety. This headline is carefully optimized for search engines, ensuring it stands out among countless options. By focusing on popular keywords and viewer intent, the title is designed to maximize visibility and engagement. Its viral appeal encourages more viewers to explore effective, natural methods for managing stress and anxiety. Crafting an effective video description is essential for boosting visibility on YouTube. By incorporating targeted keywords and a concise summary of the content, creators can improve their chances of appearing in search results. Including relevant hashtags further enhances discoverability, connecting the video to trending topics and related content. Strategic use of both descriptions and hashtags not only attracts a wider audience, but also encourages higher engagement rates. This approach ensures that videos reach viewers who who are most interested in the subject matter. A high CTR thumbnail should immediately capture attention and clearly communicate the video's core message. To illustrate the transformation from stress to calm, consider using a split image design. One side depicting a tense, cluttered environment with sharp, contrasting colors, and the other side showing a serene, peaceful scene with soft, soothing tones. Bold, concise text like "from stress to calm" can be placed strategically to reinforce the theme. Impactful imagery, such as expressive facial reactions or symbolic icons, helps viewers instantly grasp the emotional shift. This combination of strong visuals and clear messaging encourages viewers to click and learn more. The narration throughout the video is delivered in a clear and professional tone, ensuring that information is easily understood and engaging for viewers. Carefully selected background music complements the content, enhancing the mood without overpowering the narration. Subtle sound effects are used to highlight key moments, adding depth and interest to the audio experience. Editing techniques such as smooth transitions and precise timing help maintain a steady flow, keeping the audience's attention focused from start to finish.